Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Sweluxe portable mesh nebulizer for kids, babies and of course adults. This looks like any kind of normal standard portable nebulizer, but I can guarantee it's not. It's total different thing, or at least it has something super special. It's definitely worth to watch the thing, what we get and how this works. And so this is the box with a little bit of description here, especially on the side. Model type is LS01, comes in white and yellow. It says mesh technology, 3 different speed rating. This is already something really special. A lot of these devices have just 1 or 2 speeds. Here we have 3 speeds. It comes with low noise and definitely portable. And we get even this carry bag. This is really nice, especially if you want to use this for travel. I highly recommend to have always something with you if you go on travel, especially with kids, but this is also very good to store at home. A lot of such devices come without such a carry case and then it's difficult to store. This is a huge advantage, and here is what we get, and you can definitely now see the huge advantage, especially if you're intending to use that for smaller children. There's a huge benefit here with this awesome design, because there's usually a lot of resistance, especially from smaller children. They don't want to use such technical things, but when they see this duck face here, it's a total game changer. I can tell you the acceptance is much higher from small children. So here's what we get. We get this nebulizer, we get the adult mask, we get the children mask, and here we have also the mouthpiece. And so you have a lot of different options. You can use it with the mask, you can use it with the mouthpiece, or you can use it directly, especially when you're not using special medication, just water like saline or something like that, or also with my preferred solution, that's the TerraSilver 225 ppm. That's what I'm always using, and I had a lot of success with that. That's pretty much like normal water, just colloidal silver in it. And the huge advantage with this thing here is that it doesn't produce a mess. It's similar like to water, so there's no residue or something like that. You don't have to do special cleaning, and it still has more power. At least for me it worked much better. But you can also have a lot of positive effect already with water. But if you want to use it with your special medication, it's highly recommended to use it with warm water, maybe run it for a minute or so and then have it cleaned. What's important to clean, of course, we have 2 separate parts. This part is not recommended to put in contact with water, because we have some electronics here. This is very sensitive. Don't clean it with water here, but this part here can be fully cleaned with warm water or even hot water. You can see and it has even a large container, which can be very helpful. It has this nice seal all the way around. So I'll put it back here and you can see how easy this is to attach. We just twist it a little bit and then it's perfect here. I fill it up here a little bit again with this colloidal silver and we close it again. You can see how safe this is, and as you can see, it's absolutely waterproof. This is also very important. Of course, what we also need is some power. We have basically 2 choices to power it, either directly from this included USB-C cable. I have already one here, so you can see you can use any kind of standard USB-C cables, and so we are ready to go. Of course, it will also check if there's water inside, so if you hold it like that and there's no liquid touching the mesh, so nothing will happen. This is really good. It has really good sensors here inside, and so we are ready to start. With a short press it goes into first setting. You can see it produces fog. When we press again, it produces even more fog. When we push again, it goes into maximum strength and it produces a lot of fog, but it's still super quiet. There's almost nothing to hear. That's really good. And when we push again, it will turn off. So we can use it like that, or we can use it just with the mouthpiece. Very easy to apply or to remove. Or we can use the adult face mask, as you can see, or we can use the children face mask. This is very easy to switch. And so with the USB cable, we are very flexible to use it. We can even use it also with a power bank, then attach this cable here, and so we can use it almost everywhere. But there's even more. We can open this here, and it has a battery compartment, and here I'm even using rechargeable batteries. Just make sure that it has a lot of power. I highly recommend to use like a 1.5 lithium ion rechargeable. This is it. So we put it here inside, we close it, and I can prove you that it's still working exactly same thing, same power, same fog, no problem. So you can use it fully independent. This is really nice. Or you can use the batteries which are included, but of course these are not rechargeable. So this is an awesome thing. We get everything what we want, everything what we need. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.